Curve Finance, your go-to crypto swap platform. In this video, we dive into Curve, a decentralized exchange built for stablecoin and wrap token swaps. It minimizes slippage and fees, perfect for efficient trading. Curve's DeFi protocol is ideal for crypto traders, DeFi users, and anyone swapping stablecoins or tokens like WBTC, DAI, and USDC. Its focus on similarly priced assets creates liquidity pools optimized for minimal slippage, letting you trade large amounts without major price impact. Need low slippage stablecoin swaps or to interact with pegged assets? Curve's your answer. Its automated market maker protocol lets you earn yield on stablecoin deposits, ideal for yield farming and passive income. Plus, Curve integrates with protocols like Yearn Finance and SushiSwap, boosting liquidity and returns. Low gas fees are another perk, thanks to its efficient stablecoin swap design. While geared towards experienced DeFi users seeking low-cost stablecoin swaps and liquidity pool interaction, Curve's simple design and tutorials make it beginner-friendly. For stablecoin swaps and yield farming, Curve Finance is essential. Low slippage, efficient pools, and passive income opportunities make it a DeFi standout. Check the description for more.